Yeah. What? Look at that. Look at the 9 baht. Powerlifting. Come on. Come on. Wow. Look at that. Hello guys, I just got this Segway X160 electric dirt bike, or you can say a mountain bike, dirt bike, because the size is kind of like particular, almost I would say similar. But anyway, I'm just gonna go and show you guys what I think of this and unboxing it and what's all about, how's the products and everything about it. So super excited. And the reason I got this because also back in the past I used to have a Yamaha R1, you guys can see here, and I also have a Yamaha R6 Ribbon R edition. And after that I also have the Yamaha TW200. It's not the biggest dirt bike of the Yamahas, but I like it because it's really comfortable to ride. And of course I modified it. I had surfboard to it also, and I can actually ride it around, but not on the beach because it's fuel. And this is the reason why I'm like, okay, a dirt bike like this with electric, it's a way to go. I'm probably gonna add pedals to it because you never know, change, the law might change. So at least I have a pedal so I can ride around, kind of like I would say like a mountain bike. And here you go, guys. Here's my impression unboxing this Segway X160. You can see here, this were the tools, and over here is an empty box, but I think that's for if you want to purchase another extra battery. But anyway, let's go ahead and check all this out. It comes with this compact packaging. It's just, the quality of this is just wow, but just feeling it is, I'm just surprised already by experiencing it with my other Segway, I would say like the Go-Kart Pro and also the Segway electric scooters and the unicycle Z10. It's just the feeling of it unboxing is just almost the same as the quality, I would say. But anyway, you guys will be here and also come with this I mean, the packaging is, I would say, I'm surprised how it comes in this package, and I thought it was pretty heavy, but it's enough to, you can carry around to yourself. But anyway, this is the charger. It's pretty huge. It's pretty big. I think it's the biggest charger I ever had on electric stuff that I had. But anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys here. I'm putting on the front wheels already, installing it. It's not really too hard to put all together. It's pretty fun. It's kind of just remind me of my Go-Kart Pro when I put it all together. But anyway, this is it here. The quality of it, I'm just like, wow, surprised, and just everything about it. Like I would say here, putting this all together, the most important thing you probably would say, like, you pay attention to the front struts and also the front disc brakes. But everything else is nice, man. I'm just like, wow. I like it small. I would say like a mini dirt bike. I like it that way. I just wanna ride around without getting anything. But anyway, I don't know what's going on with Segway here. I don't know why it does not come with a headlight. I mean, this thing is already like how much already, but at least you can, the lights are so cheap now, but you can add it on. But you can also purchase another headlight for this for like 40 bucks. So I got this Segway through Built eBikes. His name is Chad. Check out the link. It's called sales@builtbikes.com. Definitely talk to him. Again, his name is Chad. He has version of this one, of the 160 and also the 260. I believe he has the red and the black and the silver. I'm not too sure if he has the blue color, but check out this inventory. And he also carries Segway products, electric bicycle, electric scooters here in Jacksonville or in southern region, I would say, of Florida. If you're interested, you should definitely check it out. And when I put it all together, you can see it fits in an Armada SUV. I mean, look at it. Like, so I don't have to like modify it or anything. I just stick it in the back of the truck or just in the SUV, and it's ready to ride.
I think it's off, so let's go ahead and turn it on. Yep, it's already on. Turn on the ignition. The ignition is set. Let's go ahead. Yeah. Wow. So let's go ahead and do activation on this one really quick. This is the fact that in my app I got a bunch of look at that. I got the Z10 scooters, S Max, and the go-kart. Now I'm adding on a new one. Oop, found it right away. Got it. Whoop. Do activation really quick. Just here. Hold the brakes. Alright. And next. And of course they want you to watch all this stuff here. Okay. I'll just go ahead and skip it. Skip, press OK, and it's activated. That's what I like about this. And of course I just put this light on here and it's ready. So let's go. Okay, so the kickstand is on, so it even tells you. That's what I like about this. It shows you everything. The battery level, everything else. So all right. So I'm in a slow mode right now. I think I gotta ride it around until it become sport mode. But so far, so good. One, I would say, two, pretty good. Yeah, pretty good. Just riding around.
Alright guys, my impression riding this thing is just like I would say Segway. The first time, you know, when you ride their scooters, their unicycle, and also their go-kart pro, it just, the feeling of it is basically you're getting the quality of a dirt bike. And also the feel of the ride on this dirt bike, it just remind me of my Yamaha TW200. It's smooth. It's just, the size of it is not as big. It's not imitating, but it's just, you know, just want to have a good time. And I think this is the way to go. Again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Check out the link below if you're interested on this e-bike or any Segway products. Check out his below also. His name is Chad. Go buildbikes.com. Definitely gonna help you out if you're interested on this. But I'm just excited riding it around. And yeah, check out my next video. I got more of this Segway X160 for more for you guys to check it out. Again, thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share.